Hello friends, in this video we will be discussing about ChatGPT and its usage. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot created by OpenAI and launched in November 2022. Is a pre-trained transformer that utilizes AI GPT-3 family of large language model. It has been fine-tuned with both supervised and reinforcement learning technique, making it capable of comprehending and producing human-like responses in natural language. This means that you can ask it any question and it will do its best to provide you with the helpful responses. To access ChatGPT, you will need to head over to the website and either log in with your Gmail account or sign up on the site. Once you have logged in, you will be taken to the page that displays bots capability and limitations. On the left hand side, you will see the search histories, which can be used to explore example of how ChatGPT can be utilized. Additionally, the prompt bar is where you can enter your question and receive responses in human readable format. So with all being said, to illustrate ChatGPT capabilities, we will ask it about the Ukraine crisis and its impact on the world. So after entering our question, the bot will generate an instance response. The results are displayed step by steps, revealing the process behind generating them. In the second state, 5 points have been generated, illustrating the functionality of the system. Moving on to the technical inquiries. So now we will dive into the technical Hadoop question. So let me ask the question: if the name node fails to come up in the cluster, the system provide concise troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue, such as checking name node logs and numerical processes configuration, network setting, and starting a name node. And if you don't find this troubleshooting, you have to click on regenerated response. It will give you another set of troubleshooting steps that you can follow, and you can go ahead with these troubleshooting steps handy. So this saves time compared to conducting a cumbersome internet search. Additionally, the system helps user in writing and debugging code, enhancing their coding skill. So we will do it in moment. So this is how it is generating the troubleshooting step if the name node does not come up in the CDP cluster. So this is how it is working and giving us steps to follow and to fix this issue. So now moving on to the next uses. So we will find out how this chatbot can write a program for us in any language that we want for. So if we want to search the same troubleshooting on the internet, it will be cumbersome and it will allow us to jump from one page to another page and get the necessary troubleshooting step to fix this answer. So now moving to the programming, let's write a bubble sort program in Java. So once we have given our query, and it will write the code, and it is very fast, and it is generating how the implementation works, how many times the inner and outer loop will work, and what are the variables that are used in the program, and what are the working of this variable. So it gives the overall understanding how this program is working to the programmer, and they can enhance this system will help user in writing and debugging code, enhancing their coding skill. It demonstrates the implementation step for various languages including Java and Python. So we can write the same code in Python also. This is truly amazing. So with this tool, you can improve your programming skill by examining the code and learning from it. So this is how it is writing the code in Python. So it is very fast, and you can use this chat GPT for your area of interest. So now with this tool, you can improve your programming skills. So for instance, if you wish to create a simple Python game that involves guessing a number between 1 and 100, you can generate the code with just a single line in the prompt that the game will prompt the user to guess the number, and after each guess, it will inform the user whether the number is higher or lower. The program is very simple, but you can create more complex games as well. So this is how the ChatGPT works, and its capabilities are impressive. It operates very quickly and has attracted numerous users in very short span of time. So this is the power of this ChatGPT. And with being said, we can move ahead. We can explore the capabilities, limitation, and example of ChatGPT. One limitation is that it may generate incorrect result at times or biased content, as it has a limited knowledge of the world even after 2021. For instance, we have a technical query like how to check the validity of a PAM file or a certificate file. We can simply type the query in the prompt bar, and it will give us the steps to find out the validity of PAM file or certificate file. So this is how we have to put this query into the prompt bar, and it will generate the steps. How can we find out the validity of a PAM or certificate file with the command that we can run on the Linux terminal. So this is very powerful, and it is giving the overall picture, and we can get as much as information that is related to that query that we are giving into the prompt bar. So if we wish to search the same query, how to check the validity of PAM and certificate, if we have to go to the internet and we search it on Google, it will allow us, it will let us to jump from one page to the another page, wasting our time. And if we want to find out how can we copy the data from the S3 bucket to the CDP cluster, so this is how it is giving us the steps, so that we can go through these steps. And it is the working of this giving result step by step is very amazing, because you cannot find this step by steps result on Google. You have to open the web pages and find the content, and you have to manipulate the result, and you have to you have to copy paste that in the notepad and make your content in a step-by-step format. So the step-by-step format is very amazing. And moving forward to if the ChatGPT provides step-by-step result, we can use ChatGPT for English tutorials, such as finding the meaning of complex or simple words like Machiavellian. It provides the history of the word, its meaning, and how can we use it in a sentences. This showcase of the power of ChatGPT, which can run on the terminal. The feature is very useful, as searching for the same result on Google may lead us to different web pages, and we have to go through them to find the relevant content, which can be time consuming. The ChatGPT provides result in a step-by-step format, as I already said you, so which is very amazing. And the power of ChatGPT is truly impressive. And we can find the meaning of any word by defining it. And the chatbot will provide us with the definition we need. And furthermore, we can type the specific word we have interested in and receive the example of how it is used in the sentences to better understand its meaning. And the potential use of this chatbot are numerous, and it can be utilized in various fields of interest. For instance, if you need information on the future perfect tense, the chatbot can provide relevant example. It can also summarize any book you are interested in, such as Atomic Habits or Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Simply type the book's name, and the chatbot will quickly provide the concise summary for that particular book. There are no limitation to how this chatbot can be used. So it can generate content for a range of topics, and if the provided response does not meet your expectation, you can click on the regenerate response button, and the chatbot will refine and modify its responses to provide a more suitable result to you. And in conclusion, the chatbot is a valuable tool for anyone looking to expand their knowledge or better understand a particular subject. Its features are versatile and can be customized to suit your specific needs. So the last point to consider is we can also write effective mails formal mails to our manager or any other recipient that we want to send. But before diving into that part, it is also useful for essay writing, whatever the topic you are providing, to write an essay on that. So it can do that also, because it is versatile, and you can use it for a number of cases. So it has generated that essay, and you can use that essay for any purpose that you are looking for. So the last point is writing effective mails to our manager or any other recipient. To achieve this, simply type the formal mail in double quotes and then provide the mail that you want to formalize. The tool will format the mail for you, making it look professional and formal. So let me do that. Now it is formalizing the mail that you have pasted in the prompt bar, and after that you can copy and send it to the desired recipient. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can again regenerate the response for a more customized mail that you want or that you are looking for. So you can click on this regenerate response as much time as you want and get the required result that you are looking for. So as you can see, this tool has the power to modify the content for us. If you have any feedback or use case for ChatGPT, feel free to share them in the comment section. If you have not already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to stay up to date with our latest tech related and software related videos here on Techtinge. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye and take care.